In this video, we are making a Bluetooth speaker. The star of this speaker is a PAM8403 Class D Audio Amplifier. The module is very cost effective and can produce a high quality sound. The speakers that I'm using are 4 Ohms speakers, which I have salvaged from an old speakers. To be able to play music via Bluetooth from a smartphone, we are going to need a Bluetooth audio receiver. It gets its power through the USB and outputs the music via 3.5mm input jack. Let's test this whole setup before we put it into an enclosure. First, we are going to solder the speakers. Then we are going to take a USB cable and cut the B end of the wire. We are only going to need red and black wire. Red is for 5 volts and black is for ground. Then we are going to solder the input wire coming from the Bluetooth's output. I am soldering this at the moment, but you can put the 3.5mm jack for the same. Now the Bluetooth receiver needs power. For that, we are going to take a 2-core 10cm wire and solder the red and black wire to the 5 volts and ground of the Bluetooth receiver. The other end goes to the amplifier. This way both modules gets the power at the same time. Now if I connect the USB on my power bank, the blue LED on the Bluetooth module is starting to flash. After that, we can connect the device from our smartphone and play our favorite song. After testing it for quite a while, I've decided to put this into an enclosure. The thing is made off of acrylic and took a lot of patience to complete. Now it's time to put everything inside the case, using hot glue to stick the module on the sides and soldering it all together. The only thing is different here is the switch, acting like a wire breaker. And we are finally done. We got ourselves a homemade Bluetooth speaker, which looks awesome and sounds great. If you gain any knowledge watching this video, please subscribe for more, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.